World Periventricular Nodular Heterotopia o PVNH Awareness Day ang August 7. Pagtulak sa impormasyon ukol sa bihirang genetic condition kung saan may malformation o maling pagpwesto ng neuron sa utak.
People have this condition their whole lives and don't know it until they're adults. We were lucky. Our son got diagnosed quite early on, but I've heard of families where for years they're looking for an explanation of why their child might be having difficulties walking or talking or with balance. And because my son experienced seizures, very quickly we were able to look for genetic and looking at MRI scans to understand why this might be happening.
Habang asa loob ng sinapupunan, ang nerve cells nagkukumpol o nagiging nodule na maaaring makabara sa mga ventricle ng utak ng fetus. Iba't iba ang mga sintomas ng mga may PVNH. May nagkaka-epilepsy o seizure, may nakakaranas ng developmental delays, at may nagkaka-neurological issues. Kwento ni Roxanne Felix Ma, isang Filipino-Canadian advocate mula Alberta. Noong una'y kinabahan sila dahil di raw nila mawari kung ano ang sakit ng anak. Nakatulong daw ang komunidad gaya ng PVNH organization.
But once you get that understanding, it can make such a difference in understanding how to manage symptoms, how to move forward, how to live a full life. On a personal level, you're reminded you're not alone.
Ayon sa founder ng organisasyong PVNH Support and Awareness sa Canada, layo nilang dagdagan ang suporta sa mga pamilyang may heterotopia at palawigin ang pagsasaliksik para rito.
I created it in 2009 after my daughter Ella passed away from a then rare undiagnosed brain condition that was also multisystemic. So she passed away without a diagnosis here at BC Children's Hospital. And there was nothing, there was no information, so I pushed for answers.
Kung may hinala raw o nakakaranas ng ilang developmental delays, hinihikayat ni Dupont na magpatingin agad sa neurologist na may karanasan sa pagsusuri ng seizures.
Safely make a video, whether yourself or your child, when you suspect there's seizures, that can be something you can bring to a doctor for further investigation, even before an MRI or an EEG is done.
Sa Canada, mag-iilaw ng pink at dilaw sa ilang landmarks sa piling syudad gaya ng Toronto, Nanaimo, Victoria, Quebec City, pati na sa Niagara. Inihikayat ang komunidad na makiisa at magsuot ng mga kulay na ito. Pat Fernandez, Omni News, Vancouver.